Hello everyone.
In this video, we'll learn how to factory reset an Oppo phone. Before we start, I must warn you that this process will erase all your phone's data and accounts. It'll be just like new, as if you've just unboxed it. This is typically done if your phone is performing poorly and you have no other option but to reset it, either because it's too full or has some error you can't fix. Another reason might be if you want to sell the phone or give it to someone to erase all your data and accounts beforehand. So, with that said, let's reset the Oppo, in this case the Reno 13, to factory settings. First, we'll need to access the settings menu. In settings, scroll down until you find the System and Update section. In System and Update, tap Backup and Reset. At the bottom, you'll see the Reset Phone option. This section offers various reset options. The top two are for partial, not full resets. The first option resets network and Bluetooth settings only. The second resets all settings but keeps data and accounts. It only affects network, phone, and display settings. In this video, we'll do a full reset and data wipe. We'll tap the last option and enter the screen password. It'll ask for the password you used to unlock the phone. For these phones, I always use 4, 1 as the password. Now the phone asks a second question. Do we want to delete all data or keep the electronic SIM profiles? I'll delete all data, as we don't want to keep any phone numbers on the device. A warning message appears, reiterating what I mentioned earlier. Are we sure we want to delete everything? So let's hit delete, and as you see, after a few seconds, the reboot and reset begin. Now we wait a bit. You can see a screen that says format data appears. The phone is formatting. We'll give it a little more time. After a moment, as you can see, no more than a minute has passed, the phone is reset and we're at the main screen, as if we just turned it on, ready to select the language. Note that this reset process only took me a short while. Since I'm just testing this phone, I don't have much data on it, but if it's your main phone with lots of data and many gigs used, this process might take longer. For me, it was quick, about a minute or so, but if it takes you 5, 6, or 8 minutes, that's fine too. It's normal if your phone is packed with info. Well folks, that's it for this video. As always, I hope I've been helpful. If so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it's super important. Also subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you next time.